Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter video not uploading. If you're having trouble uploading your videos on Twitter, try these troubleshooting steps. First, you need to check your file format and size. And make sure your video is in a supported format MP4 MOV and meets the size limits under 512 MB for most accounts. You could also try checking your internet connection, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak internet connection can cause upload failures. Or you could also try clearing the cache and cookies. In order to do that, press your X app like this, go to the app information, select storage and cache, and from the bottom you have to clear the cache, or you could also try clearing the storage, and after that you need to log in your Twitter app again. Or you could also try updating your app. In order to do that, go to your Play Store, look out for the Twitter app, open it, and there will be an option showing you update, and you simply need to tap on that option and make sure you're using the latest version of your browser or the Twitter app, as older versions may have bugs that affect video uploads. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve temporary issues that are preventing video uploads. And if none of the step works, you can reach out to Twitter. And if none of the above steps work, you can reach out to Twitter support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any error messages you're receiving for a faster resolution. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.